here we are literally 2 minutes later. Moki's getting corrected by Izzy. Good Izzy. And there he is, walking much nicer, not hoppy and psycho jumpy. Let's see if I get his attention. Good. Almost. That's all right. That was pretty good. We stopped one other time on the trail and he looked at me. Good, Moki. So I want to show you the whole different demeanor. I don't let him get it. Good, Moki. He doesn't get to get it. Good, Moki. Good. Good boy. Okay, Moki. Let's go. Come on. Good boy. All right. What a different dog in less than 3 minutes. So you guys can do this at home with your dogs too. There's no excuse for an out of control dog if we learn how to speak to our dogs correctly. If we understand our communication, it can really make a big difference. So anyway, that's it. I'm off my soapbox. I'll talk to you later. Bye.